In this video, we'll show you what to do if WhatsApp is not showing some or all of your contacts on your Android phone. So to fix this, what you can do is first long press on the WhatsApp icon and then tap this info icon right here. Now here tap the force stop option and then select OK. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. In here tap the clear cache option. This won't delete any of your messages, so it's safe to do this. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll up and then tap on permissions. Now here you will need to tap on contacts. Now make sure WhatsApp is allowed to access your contacts from here. If it's not, simply select allow. Now the next thing you need to do is open the settings app on your phone. Now here go to accounts and backup. Now here select manage accounts. Now in here find your WhatsApp account on the list and then tap on it. Now here select this remove account option. Now here it says that this will delete all of your contacts, calendars and other data, but don't worry, this won't affect your WhatsApp data. I'll show you right now. So simply select remove to continue. Once your account is removed, open WhatsApp again. As you can see, I'm still logged in. Now here go to this plus icon. That will open your contacts list. Now here tap this three dot icon and then select refresh. Now simply wait for your contact list to refresh. Next tap the three dot icon again and this time select contact settings. In here turn off this toggle that says WhatsApp contacts. Now here make sure this save all contacts to phone option is selected and then select delete. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then refresh your contacts list again. Once you do this, you should see all the missing contacts in the WhatsApp app and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.